the future is a present reality.
Drones can lead to much lower greenhouse emissions and also faster response times.
Automated systems in the long run are more cost efficient.
The biggest challenge with U-Space is that it involves many actors. For example, environment, public, people on the ground or in the air. It can be the defense, the army, it can be the police.
We believe that drones deserve a place in the future transportation system because they can truly unlock a lot of human capital that's currently being spent on simple tasks such as operating mopeds and bicycles and carrying delivery packages. Eric can contribute to a more sustainable transport system by significantly reducing both the congestion and traffic related to last mile delivery.
At Arpelago we make inspections of power lines greener, safer, more efficient and with higher quality by using autonomous drones. We can find up to 5 to 10 more defects on the power grid than today's inspections, which of course will lead to a much more reliable delivery of electricity, which will be vital in the future when we have the electrification of the entire transport sector. The biggest challenge right now to scale a solution like ours is permits. Things are improving in this area right now, but of course we would like the development to be even quicker.
Transportstyrelsen is preparing for the increased use of drones by employing people. We are also taking lots of discussions with both the government and the different parties that are involved with U-Space in order to facilitate the use of drones in the future.
Right now and today there are several drones in the air that we don't know of. With Validrone you can build up statistics and have control of how many drones that are in your airspace perimeter. So Validrone is an antenna system which uses the radio frequency between drone and pilot and uses that to decide and position where the drone is located.
Currently in Europe, both Ireland and the Netherlands are shining examples of what the drone ecosystem can be. They have faster processing times as well as an ongoing conversation with the drone community. In order to increase Sweden's competitiveness in this space, we need to foster that same collaborativeness in the country.